He's telling you off. Like he wants to go to Bobo's. Go to Bobo's! Go on, bird! Yeah, because I said to him, get him told, didn't I? So he's come up to tell you, didn't he? Because he wants to go to Bobo's. Go to Bobo's! Good night, Mr. Birdie! Good night, Mr. Birdie! Good night. Let him go on his perch first. Don't cover him up. He needs to go back there.
Oh, he can go back there. Don't you worry.
Yeah, well, let him go back there before you start covering him up. He needs to go back. Go back. Go back to your perch. Go on you there. Okay. He's getting mad, isn't he? With that? Go on your perch, birdie. Go to bed. Go to bed. Watch him up. Good night, Mr. Birdie. Good night, Mr. Birdie. Oh, he's going now. Wait for him. Let him get back there a minute. Oh. Good night, Mr. Birdie. He's gone. To bed. Yes.
Yeah, no, Mr. Birdie.
He puts you in your place. Right in your place. Because he likes to be in darkness. Go to sleep. He's gone to Bobo's. Oh dear. You alright? You alright? You alright? Yes? You alright? Yes? I ain't got any food. I ain't got no food. You just have to have your meat, your rest of your meat. No treats, nappies. Hey? Hmm? Good lad. Good lad. Good lad. There we go.